Hello, I'm Pat and this is Ecology Matters. Jeanette's here, she's doing the filming, but I'm doing the introductions. So sometimes we get called out on what you might call emergency bat jobs, where something's been found and we need to dash into action straight away, pop down and have a look, give some advice. That's what's happened today. Come and have a look at this roof and see what's going on. Here, have a look at this for a fantastic place to work. Not so brilliant in November when it's really windy and rainy, but just look at the environment that we're in today. We're on top of somebody's house. We're underneath a canopy, which is thankfully protecting us from the rain and the wind to an extent. And we're working with some builders who are exposing a roof to see how much needs to be done to repair it. The interesting thing for us is that a couple of weeks ago they found some bats underneath some of the coverings. So it's not always straightforward, this type of work. You have to think on your feet a little bit, you have to be prepared to work with lots of different people, give them advice under all sorts of different circumstances. It's partly what makes the job so absolutely brilliant and really challenging. Let's have a look at some closer pictures and you can see exactly what's going on. Right, that's all for today so far. Back to work this afternoon. Just for now, we're off for lunch. See you later.
Your angle's too wide.
¿Dónde estás, mi horse? Allí. Dígame. ¿Dónde estás, Larry? Allí. ¿En las montañas? ¿Dónde? ¿En España?
Seems a bit tighter than the other ones.